What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Josh Perry here, and ladies and gentlemen, today I have made. There we go. The lighting's always the problem here. So, ladies and gentlemen, there it is. So this is the chainsaw from Doom, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna go give you a 360 view right there. As you could see, this weighs about I think this weighs about 7 or 8 pounds. But so there it is. The sides are obviously yellow. Now this version is from Doom number 1 and 2. This was in quite a few different maps, and the thing I loved about this the most is that this has unlimited ammo. It always was able to go down, be like, and as you can see on the top here, this grip actually works in holding the whole thing, and you're probably going to wonder how. As you can see from the side here, these are Technic beams that are at least 12 bricks long, so it goes almost all the way down to the bottom. Hook it with some Technic pins there, lock it in place, and this is pretty solid. Same with this handle in the back. A vibration guard. You can also see I have these to hold it in place, because like Nick Brick says, or I don't know, I'm referencing him here, but he says, if you build something good enough, it won't fall apart. And this one I feel pretty good about because it's not falling apart for once. The blade is actually locked in because, blade's very interesting how I made it. As you can see there, the blade has, you know, the bricks that have two on two sides, and then that's it, not the front or the back, the ones that have like two on like there, like there and there, top, and then the bottom, and then there's none on the other side. So I just used basically a lot of those. Not much else to say. And like, there's that part of it. You can be like, the front I ad-libbed, well, basically ad-bricked, and you're probably like, what? Basically, the front, I just built it like how I thought it would be in the game, and the back I love. See that right there? Yeah, the back I just put together. As you can see, the skulls there. Here's the top of it with the engine part. Now that's made to be an engine. The top was actually the hardest part to do because I needed to give myself enough room to still grab the grips on it. The old bluish gray, the old gray, as you could see there, the difference between the colors. You can see the new gray, I used that. Not much else. I also built it kind of like Zatsunabe would. These are just all panel pieces on the front, the back, left and right. Alright. So this is basically the chainsaw in the game. You're like this, and then you're like, and you're like, so I spent a lot more time on this than I normally would because I wanted a gun. I wanted something that I created to be actually what I liked, and I actually love this build right here. So here's one last look from like a distance, be like, and then be like, and then rip stuff up. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's try it out. And what I mean by that is we're now referencing my different username. So we referenced Nick Brick, reference Zatsunabe's because I built it like he would with this. Now we're going to reference my different username. Alright, so here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's try it out. Oh, but yeah, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. The Lego chainsaw from Doom. You only can grab it once in Doom, and then you have it for the whole game. If you're playing solo, if you're playing online like I do and you die, then wah, 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 wah. Or it's like, you got something to say to me, punk? Or then you do like one of these, and then you're like, and then you're like, oh, my balls.